This is a stepless Oetiker clamp, size 8.7, SKU OET087. So stepless Oetiker clamps work really well because they put an even pressure all the way around whatever you're trying to clamp. They work really well on tubing. And so the size that you buy is dictated by the OD, the outer diameter of the tubing that you're using. And so when you put it on, there's a little ear at the top, and the idea is to crush that ear. And when you crush that ear, it pulls the clamp all the way around the tubing and creates a nice tight seal. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do that. One is by just some manual pliers, or they make these specific ratcheting style pliers that will pinch that ear really well in a nice even way. The good thing about Oetiker clamps is they work really well for tubing. The downside is they're kind of semi-permanent, and so the only way to get them off is to use your pliers to either cut through the ear, or there's another way that there's a tab all the way around the clamp here. What you got to do is get a piece of metal, whether it's like your pliers or a screwdriver or something, underneath that tab, and basically you're just going to peel back that tab, and the clamp will come off. So they're not permanent, but they take some effort to take off. If you're looking for something that has a bunch of different sizes, that way you're not trying to figure out like which size goes with what tubing. We do have field kits available that have got pliers and they've got different size, some of the most common size Oetiker clamps that are used in the beverage industry.